Today I'm going to be making the Hamburger Crust pizza. And the reason I'm using hamburger is because I am a hamburger. I like beef. And in case, you know, beef is easier for me. And you can use whatever seasonings you want. Use what you like. But I always put an egg in there. I've got some black pepper in there, some parsley, some garlic, as well as some red pepper and some Maggi. I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed up. All right, so the first thing we're going to do after we've mixed up the hamburger meat, we're going to prepare a crust. Now, I do not have a pizza crust pan, so I'm going to use my skillet that is safe for the oven. So you can do this as well. You're going to take some of this hamburger meat and you're going to put it in here and you're going to patty it. All right, so you're taking the hamburger meat and starting pattying it out. Now, this would be an awful thin crust, but we're going to add a little bit more hamburger in here so we can continue building onto the crust. And you're just going to be pattying it out. And like I said, if you have a pizza pan, it's even better, and you'll use your parchment crust. You'll use your parchment paper. But we don't have a pizza pan, so we're going to use this pan that is oven ready. Got it all crusted. You weren't supposed to do all that. Okay, anyway, it don't matter. You already didn't start it. I was trying to explain to you all. I got all the crust around the edges, and then we're going to take Flavor God, the pizza seasoning, and put it around on the pizza. And then, of course, you can put some garlic around there, too, if you like it. And then we're going to go ahead and cook this for 30 minutes. Now, if you want to add more meat to it, then you definitely... Look at that big old chunk. Really? Chef Boy, what?
Chef Boy, I swear. This is real beauty, real food, and real life.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, so 30 minutes at 425. It looks like when it comes out the oven. Now, as you can tell, it's going to shrink, that's what it does. But this has got a lot of grease, so I'm going to have to drain the grease, and then I'll be ready to put my toppings on. Now, I've taken it and cleaned out the excess grease. Now I've added my own ingredients. Now you can do this too. I chose to add pepperoni, Canadian bacon, cheese, and some bacon bits. I didn't want to add any more hamburger or anything like that because the crust is made of hamburger. And now I'm going to stick it in the oven long enough to get it melted. And then we'll have our keto-friendly pizza. All right, here is my finished pizza. Oh my gosh! Awesome! Awesome! Awesome, 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 awesome. Alright, so that's keto friendly. I cut it. That's actually enough for 4 servings for me. For somebody else, 2. Maybe for somebody else, 1. But this is good enough for me. And definitely, I'm going to store these. Now, if you want to store them, the best way to store them is put them in a container. So you put the first layer down. And then you'll take some parchment paper and put on top. And then you'll put your next ones on top of it. That way it'll be fresh and ready to heat up when you're ready. All right, this is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life. I just made the keto beef pizza. Yep. So I want y'all to comment below. Let me know if you try this, okay? And tag me when you do.